There are some things that are really hard that we hold deep, dark secrets. But with the passing of Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the notorious RBG, rest in peace, I have to tell you that Donald Trump is going to fill her seat. And the announcement of who that will be, of course, will be this weekend. But the person, his nominee abused me. I don't know whether the year was 1982. It might have been 84. It might have been 1986. I don't remember exactly when, but I remember that it was an even number year, and you can cross-reference our flight records, and somehow we ended up in the same city. I'm sure that the Democratic brass is going to be able to do that. And I was abused by his nominee. It's really hard, and I just want you to know that due to my bravery and your funding of a GoFundMe, I will be willing to attest to this before Congress and the Senate. And for those of you ill-tempered, stone-cold, dark hearts out there who don't believe the victim, how could you possibly call yourself a Democrat or a Joe Biden supporter? Peace out.